Want to know how to add products to ShopWired quickly and effectively? Stay tuned, because I'm going to walk you through every step you need to know to get your products on ShopWired without wasting time. And if you stick around until the end, I'll show you some alternatives that could be even better for your business, plus a special offer you won't want to miss. First things first, let's jump straight into the ShopWired dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a menu on the left side. Click on Products to get started. This is where you'll be managing all your products. Next thing, click on the Add New Product button at the top right. This is where you'll enter the main information for your product, like the name, description, price, and SKU. Make sure your description is clear and engaging, because this is how customers will understand what you're selling. Now, the third thing you'll want to do is add product images. ShopWired allows you to upload multiple images, so show your product from different angles. A high-quality image will help your customer get a better feel for the product and make it more likely they'll buy. Next, let's move to the inventory section. Here, you'll enter how many units of the product you have in stock. ShopWired lets you set a stock level so you don't oversell, which is really useful for managing your business efficiently. If you're running a special deal, you can also set up product variants like color or size here. Now, the fifth thing you should do is set up shipping information. For each product, you can add the weight and dimensions, which helps when calculating shipping costs at checkout. This step is important to ensure that your shipping fees are accurate and that customers get the correct delivery charges. After that, it's time to optimize for SEO. In the SEO section, fill out the title and description to make sure your product shows up when people search for it. ShopWired does a decent job here, but you'll need to make sure your keywords are tailored to your product and your target market. Don't skip this, it's crucial for visibility. Then, the seventh thing to look out for is categorizing your products. You can assign your products to categories that make sense for your store. This helps with navigation on your site and ensures your customers can find what they're looking for quickly. Finally, before you hit save, make sure to double-check everything. Check that your pricing, shipping, and product details are correct. Once you're happy, click Save, and your product is live on your ShopWired store. That's it for adding products to ShopWired. While ShopWired is a solid platform, especially for beginners, it does have some limitations. The interface can feel a little clunky, and some of the advanced features you might need as your store grows are locked behind higher-tier plans. Plus, customer support is decent, but it could be more responsive. Now, you might be wondering, are there better alternatives? Yes! If you're looking for something with better flexibility and features that scale with your business, I've got a couple of recommendations. Through our link, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to one of these amazing platforms. These alternatives are designed with more advanced tools and better integrations, and they're perfect if you're serious about growing your business. They also have free trials, so you can test them out and see which one suits your needs the best. Don't miss out on the best deal available exclusively to our viewers. Check out the link in the description to get the best free trial and benefits.